Hey guys, how's it going? Julie and Brian here. And Brian, Kevin, and Katie all in the background. Yep. We just pulled into Roatan and got ready. We're going to go out today and we're going to do some monkeys, some sloths. Mm-hmm. We hooked up with a private excursion. Brian's going to tell you all about that in our video, but we figured we'd do a really quick live-ish. We see you guys commenting and following. So we see it. We're going to send you some content. We'll do the best that we can. We'll take some pictures. We'll be posting on Instagram and Facebook as well. And
yeah, I saw a bunch of comments on the YouTube. We didn't get to all of them yet because we've been running around this ship chasing 3 kids. So if you commented, thank you for the comment. We will definitely be getting back to you. But we'll be checking the phones in Roatan today. So
yeah, we're having a great time. Things are awesome. Stay tuned. Katie, are you super excited for sloths?
I thought you said lots.
Anyway, we'll see you on the Z's.
Like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you on the Z's.